13. Of Barangay Rombang, Belison Antique, who saved his mother, brother, and sister from the raging waters of Sibalom River. Mula sa buwang ito, wala nang income tax ang sumesweldo ng 200,000 o mas mababa sa isang taon, 12 billion pesos na bawas buwis para sa morality at middle class. Maraming salamat, Congress. Ngayon, may 32 pesos na commercial rice. Natutugan na natin ang problema sa pagkain sa kasalukuyan. Nagtugumpay tayo dahil sa pagtutulungan ng bayan ng buong bansa sa pagsasaka, bantay presyo, at paghihigpit sa price manipulation sa masipag na pamumuno ni RT Yap. Sa mga LGU at religious groups na tumutulong dalhin ang NFA rice sa mahihirap, maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil sa subsidy, NFA rice is among the region's cheapest. While we can take some comfort that our situation is better than many other nations, there is no substitute for solving the problem of rice and fuel here at home. In doing so, let us be honest and clear-eyed. There has been a fundamental shift in global economics. The price of food and fuel will likely remain high. Nothing will be easy. The government cannot solve these problems overnight. But we can work to ease the near-term pain while investing in long-term solutions. Since 2001, new irrigation systems for 146,000 hectares, including Malmar in Maguindanao and North Cotabato, Lower Agusan, Kaseknan and Aulo in Nueva Ecija, Abulog Apayao in Cagayan and Apayao, Adalam in Quirino and Isabela, among others, and the restoration of old systems on another 980,000 hectares have increased our nation's irrigated land to a historic 1.5 million hectares. Edwin Bandila, 48 years old, of Ugalingan, Carmen, North Cotabato, cultivated 1 hectare and harvested 35 kabans. 13 years ginagawa yung Malmar. My first State of the Nation address, sabi ko, kung hindi matapos yun, sa Setyembre ay kakanselin kong kontrata, papapasukin ko ang engineering brigade, natapos nila. With Malmar, now he cultivates 5 hectares and produces 97 kabans per hectare. Mabuhay, Edwin. We have seen how important irrigation is. Pangasinan is one of our largest rice-producing provinces. I think quite under-irrigated. Value-added tax will complete the San Roque Agno River project. The Land Bank has quadrupled loans for farmers and fisherfolk. That is fact, not fiction. You can check it. For more effective credit utilization, I instructed DA to revitalize farmers' cooperatives. We are providing seeds at subsidized prices to help our farmers. Incremental Malampayan national revenues of 4 billion pesos will go to our rice self-sufficiency program. Rice production since 2000 increased an average of 4.07 a year, twice the population growth rate. By promoting natural family planning and female education, we have curbed population growth to 2.04% during our administration, down from the 2.36% in the 1990s when artificial birth control was pushed. Our campaign spreads awareness of responsible parenthood regarding birth spacing. Long years of pushing contraceptives made it synonymous to family planning. Therefore, informed choice should mean letting more couples, who are mostly Catholic, know about natural family planning. From 1978 to 1981, nag-export tayo ng bigas. Hindi tumagal. But let's not be too hard on ourselves. Panahon pa ng Kastila, bumibili na tayo ng bigas sa labas. While we may know how to grow rice well, topography doesn't always cooperate. Nature did not gift us with a mighty Mekong like Thailand and Vietnam, and with our vast and naturally fertile plains. Nature instead put our islands ahead of our neighbors in the path of typhoons from the Pacific. So we import 10% of the rice we consume. To meet the challenge of today, we will feed our people now, not later, and help them get through these hard times. To meet the challenges of tomorrow, we must become more self-reliant, self-sufficient, and independent, relying on ourselves more than on the world. Now we come to the future of agrarian reform. There are those who say it's a failure, that our rice importations prove it. There are those who say it is a success, if only because anything is better than nothing. Indeed, people are happier owning the land they work, no matter what the difficulties. Sa SONA noong 2001, sinabi ko, bawat taon, mamamahagi tayo ng 200,000 hektarya sa reforma sa lupa, 100,000 hectares of private farmland, 100,000 of public farmland, including ancestral domains. Di hamak, mahigit sa target ang naipamahagi natin sa nakaraang 7 taon. 854,000 hectares of private farmland, 797,000 of public farmland, and certificates